welcome to Simply Math. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. In this episode, we will talk about formulas and equations. So what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that express two that two expressions are equal. That means that two expressions are equal. For example, you have 2x plus 1 equal to 7. Means that 2x plus 1 on the other side is equal to 7. But let's evaluate it further. So 2x plus 1, so move 1 to the other side and change its sign. So it becomes 7 minus 1. And then divided by 2 by 7 minus 1, divide all by 2, the equation. So that would be 7 minus 1 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So if we put x as 3, 2 times 3, you get 6 plus 1 is 7. So both sides are equal when they have an equal of 3. That's why it's a proposition, because there's a condition that x should be a certain number or a certain formula. So let's move on to the next one. So what's a formula? A formula is an equation expressing a relationship between constants and variables. For example, if you have a formula of an area of a circle, so a area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, wherein pi r squared when evaluated gives the area of the circle. I have another example here. So another example is cylinder. A right cylindrical circular cylinder has a radius of r and a height of h. It has a surface area of in square units. It's given by this formula. 2 is equal to 2 pi r times the sum of r and h. So we want to find the surface area of the cylinder with the radius of 6 inches and height of 9 inches. So how do we do that? So we simply equate r to 6 and h to 9. R having the radius and height having of 9. So that would be 2 pi r 2 times 6 times 6 plus 9. So that would give you 12 pi plus 6 plus 9. 12 pi times 15. 12 times 15 gives you 180 square inches. I have another example. The other example is that you have a photograph with a length of L and a width of W, and it's placed in a mat with a width of 8 centimeters. The area of the mat in centimeters is found to be this formula. So what we want to know is that we want to find the area. We want to find the area of the mat for a photograph with a length of, this is your L and this is your W. Being asked what is the area of the mat, the area of the mat is L plus 16 times W plus 16 minus L. If you have a diagram, it looks like this. So it looks like there's a photograph and there's a mat, and we want to know what's the area of the mat. So we know that the length of the photograph is 32 and the W is 24. Now just plug in the values of L and W and L here. So that would be 32, 24, and 32. That's 32 plus 16, 24 plus 16 minus 32. You get 48 plus 14 minus 32, 190 minus 32, 1000, and then you get the final solution of the mat. The area of the mat is 1888 centimeters squared. So guys, thank you for watching this episode with me, and remember, please subscribe again to my channel for more episodes on different math problems.